Dear students, good morning. Myself Dr. Jyoti Lahoti. I teach advanced accountancy on your class. So, as now today this is our first lecture and we will see the syllabus of our advanced accountancy subject. So, as usual there are 5 units in this subject. So, the first unit, in the first unit there are 3 parts, 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. So, in the 1.1, these contents are included, meaning, definition, scope, need and development of bookkeeping and accounting, objectives, principles, concepts and conventions of accounting, branch accounts. So, this is a 1.1 of our syllabus. Now, we see the 1.2. In 1.2, this is related with the accounting transactions and these contents are included. Classification of accounts, rules of debit and credit, journal and ledger, rules regarding posting and balancing of ledger account and trial balance. So, these contents are included in 1.2 and 1.3 related to the rectification of errors. So, the contents are included in it. Types of errors, rectification entries and suspense accounts. So students, this is the first unit of advanced accountancy subject. Now we see the second unit 2. There are 2 subkinds or subpart of second unit. 2.1 subsidiary book. In the subsidiary book there are contents included: subsidiary book, purchase book, purchase return book, sales book and sales return book. And in the 2.2, this 2.2 is related with the cash book and the contents are included: single column simple cash book, double column cash book, triple column cash book and petty cash book. So this is our second unit of the subject advanced accountancy, which we will do study. Now in the third unit, the contents are included: final accounts of individual, manufacturing account, trading account, profit and loss accounts, balance sheet with adjustment. So students, this is the third unit of advanced accountancy. Now unit 4. Unit 4 related to the depreciation methods. In the depreciation methods, we will do study about concepts of depreciation, different methods of depreciation and the problem related to 2 types of depreciation we will do study. First is straight line method and second is reducing balance method. So, this is the 4th unit of advanced accountancy subject. Now, the last unit, that is 5th unit. In the 5th unit, we will do study about bank reconciliation statement. So, in the bank reconciliation statement, the contents are included, meaning, importance and need, cause of difference between cash book and passbook, preparation of all types of bank reconciliation statement. So students, this is the syllabus of our subject advanced accountancy, and in the next lecture we will do study about the first unit, meaning, definition of bookkeeping and accountancy. And already I told you that there is a 80-20 pattern in the advanced accountancy subject. 80 marks for theory and practical paper and 20 marks for internal assignment. In the internal assignment, I will give you assignment and also we will take class test. 10 marks for the assignment and 10 marks for class test. And 80 marks paper, there is the theory and practical paper. Okay. Good day.